that this month is National Save Your Vision and Ocular Nutrition Month. Ever thought about that? Taking care of your eyes can come down to what you eat. And joining us to talk about eye health nutrition is Dr. Jared L. Cooper. Thanks so much for joining us this afternoon. Now, I'm squinting at you because I have horrible eyes. So what can I do to improve? Yeah, what can I do to improve? What can we all do to improve our vision?
Sure, and that's something that I think has been neglected really in the eye care field, is talking about the importance of nutrition. There's many things that can be done to keep one's eyes healthy and to keep one seeing longer, to prevent disease. And so we have lined up a couple of different foods that would be very much healthy and keep people going on the right track as far as seeing better.
Will this prevent degeneration or as you age? Because, typically your eyes get worse as you age.
They do. Yeah, it's going to do a couple of things. Some of these can actually make your vision feel like they're improving now.
Really?
Yes. And then obviously, a lot of them are going to be from preventing eye disease. Macular degeneration is something that is extremely prevalent here in Utah. In fact, those that are 75 and older have about a 35% chance of having macular degeneration, which is a progressive disease that tends to lead to blindness. And those are the patients that I spend all my time with, as I am a low vision doctor. Mm-hmm. I would like to see more patients not get to that point. And one of the ways that we can do that is by providing them very healthy foods and even antioxidant vitamin therapy.
Well, I'm noticing this beautiful color that we have on the table. Let's talk about what can help, what you ingest actually can and help in your vision.
Beautiful. Absolutely. The more color, the better. We want to range things up as far as that. Before we go into what should we eat to improve our vision, maybe we should talk about what we shouldn't eat to improve our vision. Trans fats and high carbohydrates. Our country is in the epidemic for obesity. Unfortunately, obesity and being overweight does affect the eye. It puts one more at risk for glaucoma, diabetes, and even perhaps macular degeneration. So eating healthy foods and exercise can actually improve your vision and keep your vision lasting longer. So that's something a lot of people don't know about.
I honestly didn't think you had any control over it. It just happened to you. But I guess if you are eating healthy foods with a lot of antioxidants, because a lot of these foods right here are chock full of it, fatty acids, that will help improve and stop that decline in your vision. Thank you so much for being here and sharing this with us. I appreciate it.
It's amazing. But yeah, absolutely. So some of these foods are quite amazing. We look at leafy greens. I guess the key words for today that we probably all should learn and internalize is that there's a word called carotenoids. Now, carotenoids are just a natural pigment found in many of our leafy greens. And the amazing thing with carotenoids is they absorb into the eye and they protect the eye from very damaging blue light. So when we're eating greens, we're getting a high amount of antioxidants that are carotenoids that are protecting the eye. We look at anything that's orange, that's a vegetable, like carrots. Well, we hear of beta-carotene. Well, beta-carotene is something that, it's not just a wives' tale. Carrots are actually good for the eye.
So Bugs Bunny wasn't actually lying.
No, he was ahead of his time.
All right, Dr. Cooper, thank you so much for being here. We appreciate your time and sharing this information with us.